Shalom and welcome to Learn Ivrit with English Words, Lesson 5. Oh, lo, Lesson 6. This is going to be a very interesting lesson. You will learn how to say he in Hebrew. The Hebrew word for he sounds just like an English word. You won't believe this. Are you ready? Because this is really going to be funny. The Hebrew word for he sounds just like the word who. I'm not making this up. We're going to spell it H-O-O, just so you don't get confused. Ani Yared Hu Ben. Shalom Yared Hu Ben. Shalom Avraham Ken Hu Ben. Ken Ani Ben. Hu Ben. Lo Ani Lo Ben. Ani Binyamin. Hu Ben. Ken Hu Ben. Lo Ani Lo Ben. Ani Binyamin. Notice that Ben is growing up here. He wants to be known as his full name. In English, it's Benjamin, but in Hebrew, it's Binyamin. Hu Ben? Lo, hu lo Ben, hu Binyamin. Ken, ani Binyamin. Binyamin, hu Daniel. Ken Tikva, hu Daniel. Hu Bruce Willis. Hu Daniel Radcliffe. Hu Adam Sandler. Hu Justin Bartha. Hu Einstein. Hu Cristiano Ronaldo. Hu Adam Sandler. Lo Adam Sandler. Hu Bruce Willis. Hu Harry Potter. Lo Harry Potter. Hu Daniel Radcliffe. Hu Einstein. Lo Einstein. Hu Ben Gurion. So now you know what the Hebrew word for he looks like in Hebrew, and you pronounce it hu.